Do you ever find yourself feeling stuck, uninspired, or lacking the drive to pursue your goals? It's completely normal. We all experience moments like these. But let me tell you something incredible. You have the power within you to unleash your inner drive and ignite your motivation for boundless success. Motivation is the powerful fuel that propels us forward, pushing us beyond obstacles to reach our fullest potential. It's the spark that transforms dreams into reality. So, how do you tap into this extraordinary force residing within you? The first step is to discover your why, your deeper purpose. What truly motivates you? Is it personal growth, financial freedom, or making a meaningful impact on the world? Take a moment to reflect on your values, passions, and aspirations. Your why will be the driving force that keeps you motivated, even in the face of challenges. Next, set SMART goals: specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound. These goals will provide you with a clear roadmap to success. Break down your big goals into smaller, achievable steps, and celebrate each milestone you accomplish along the way. Take, for instance, Jane, a determined entrepreneur who dreamed of building her own eco-friendly fashion brand. Her why was to make a positive impact on the planet and inspire others to embrace sustainable living. By setting SMART goals, she started small, creating handmade products and gradually expanding her business. Today, Jane's brand is flourishing, and her designs are loved worldwide. Remember, motivation is not a one-time event. It requires consistent effort and commitment. Surround yourself with positive, like-minded individuals who will not only support you but also challenge you to grow. They'll be your pillars of strength during tough times. Close your eyes and visualize yourself already achieving your goals. Feel the excitement, joy, and sense of accomplishment. This visualization will keep you focused, motivated, and remind you why you started in the first place. Embrace failure as a stepping stone towards success. Learn from your mistakes, adapt your strategies, and keep pushing forward. Great achievements often stem from taking risks and persevering through setbacks. Taking care of yourself is vital for maintaining motivation. Get enough rest, eat healthily, exercise regularly, and make time for activities that bring you joy and recharge your batteries. Remember, a healthy mind and body fuel your inner fire. Are you ready to unleash your inner drive and achieve limitless success? The power lies within you. Embrace your motivation, set your goals, surround yourself with positivity, visualize your success, learn from failure, and prioritize self-care. Thanks for watching. If you found this video inspiring, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more empowering content. You have the power to turn your dreams into reality. Keep striving and never lose sight of your potential.